Labafito, it's your boy Mfaganzaga. Come and get ready with me as I prepare for work, you know. In Turkey, let's go. This is how we started, guys. You start your day with a prayer. Thandaza kancinci man. uNkulunkulu akubusise man. Yabo. Let's go, guys. It's time to hit that shower. Guys, don't look at me like that. I can already see the negative comments. Here I go, switching on the aircon. You know, man, the room must have ambience. It must have that thing. Yeah, there I go, grabbing my gown, guys. You know, indoda must have a gown. Indoda may live in a gown. Yeah, I tried to pick a color. Yeah, there you go, boy. Tati towel, guys. Apa siya shawarisha, but we don't use for scones. Room number 5, I'm part of them from another. Kiriki cheke man. Nona le itinyana ka gona le mothana tsene ke beya tawele ke nne man ke bona tawele nngwe ne tawele ka thinte le teng ka ke re marere ke itlwelle ha ina stress ke tswelle pele hela ke tsena ka showering metsi ai. I'm done right now, guys. It's time for that moisturizing to smell fresh. Quality moisturizers. Let me hook you up with that Nivea, boy. That Nivea cream. And the body lotion. Nice smell, guys. Now it's time to iron. Namhlanje we decided that we're gonna rock our blue suits, our nice blue suits. Very, very nice material, guys. The ironing pot, the Tenge Cash. A101, there's a store up called A101, the Tenge Cash, guys. You press lap, putting down the press lap so that the white shirt doesn't become dirty. I am in the Tenge Cash, bought it cash at A101. Did do commands, man, let me go. The commands, it bonus or good, just in case other people are thinking otherwise. But nonetheless, put down everything. Pour in that water, boy. You know, water is life. Without water, we can't do anything, guys. We can't do anything. So, had a problem of voice. Nonetheless, start off with the white shirt. Get modilong. I hang with that blue pants and then be your baggy. Promise you guys, this suit very beautiful. If you want this suit, call me. I will hook you up. But it's not for free, guys. It's not for free. Yeah, today I'll be rocking my brown 2-piece. Yeah, it's a 2-piece. Integral 2-piece, guys. I bought it off Instagram. You order off Instagram and then they deliver to you. Not in South Africa, guys. No. After you order on the internet, Instagram. Sometimes you can even use your Facebook just to order. Those are the pants. Yeah, just use Instagram. You use whatever that you want, that you have accessibility to. Very nice shirt. This is my extreme cologne, guys. Extreme cologne. Not a perfume, guys. Not gold perfume. Cologne. Or can you not spray? And then the second one, Rocher. Honestly saying, guys, I don't know the name of that cologne. I just bought it because it smells nice. Birthday present again. Button up the shirt. I wanted to leave it open, but I was like, nah, it's not gonna work, not today. plus the weather is kind of like cold outside. It was cold, it was raining. Yabo, rigging up my silver chain, guys. You know, levels. You must own a chain. If you don't own a chain, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, boy. It's not gonna work. You know, my watch. You must have a timepiece, guys. You must have a timepiece. Very unique, golden color, brown. Very unique, guys. Very unique. Quality. This is what we call quality. Spanning on my fake, guys. Spanning on my fake. Next again. Rock. Indeed, man, you're selling man. Hey, the voice thing. This is the life of an artist, guys. This is the life of an artist. You must always have green tea. Here are my white shoes. Also from Instagram, the website. If you need anything, guys, just highlight me. I will. Bonisa. This is my white shoes. Hi guys, nani naibona kele. Time to pack for work. I took my clothes in my bag, and then after that I had to take my brush and my comb, my cologne, put it in the bag, check if everything is okay. It's time for work. Maspangele any chance, let's go to work. Took my suit cover. It's time to go hit work. Tradition before I go to work, I kiss my love, you know, kiss my baby there on the wall. Tradition. I miss you, baby. Although she's in South Africa, I miss you. I can't wait to see you. Time to go to work, guys. Let's go down the stairs. You know, grab that case. I must grab that case. Okay, the case, guys, contains our microphones inside and the mixer that we use at the show. You know, pack that case inside, put it in. Suit cover, put the bag. Put the bag in. And then wait for the others. Nice smile, boy. Nice smile. He was late, guys. That's why I'm fortunate from bonus with how late. Was late Tina Samotweni. Nangu late. Nangu a smile and another smile and tone. I've landed late. Late. You are very late. Very late. Sahamba we're going to work. I'm gonna drive up here and doesn't late but they're talking something. Really don't know. And up I'm crazy as this place we stay in. But nonetheless, the trees, you know, the oranges on the trees. Here, you know, pertaining the robots, similar pa. And the oranges are free, guys. You can literally go out of the car and grab that orange. Arriving Sfikile Hotel, guys. This is the hotel that we're performing at tonight. You know, reach into that car, 30 case. I must take the case, put it inside. This is just the hotel. I'm just showing around the hotel. Yeah. Very beautiful, guys. One of the best hotels. Went to the bathrooms. The bathrooms are not. Time for flash mob now, guys. Time for flash mob. These are the costumes we wear for flash mob in the restaurant of the hotel. You know, this is where we're gonna be performing. But the setup won't be like this. They still have to clean. Very beautiful stage. I like the curtains. I also like the lighting when you're on stage. Very beautiful. This is the sound that they have at the hotel. Packed, guys. It's gonna be packed, I promise you. Saw the mirror upstairs. I'm like, hey, upstairs there. Tata nditi, and I chome ampamata. Now to go to the restaurant. This is where we pass when we head into the restaurant. Yes, the driver, and yes, Mata. I chome Mata. Driver here tonight, driver here too. Atu izocula flash mob pa. It's like, yes, I will start the flash mob well. Turkish people can't even sing. It's a better flash mob, guys. Now time to eat. See, I can go. We are eating. This is the restaurant. This is the food. Yeah, guys, it's a buffet. It's a buffet. You just choose. This is the pizzas. Oh, very nice. Nandele pizza. I send the packet already. The phone in a rice too. This is you plate got my pizza all and we are met around. You will see angimathawu nayo iplate yakhe nayibona engakhi utye rice nepizza sana. All you can eat, guys, all you can eat. Le plate yam ke, this is my plate. Ndabona i-veg ndithi soze ndathatha ama-veg, never ke, not in another country. Ndathi no man, mandithi inyama khona, i-beef, fish, chicken, a lot. This is my plate. This is my plate. Ndithi no man, let me sit down ndiyotya. Ndibajoyine phaa sitya sonke. Asibona mos, guys. I'm going in. I'm not playing. I'm toasting the plate. Oh, I thought you were toasting the plate. Pizza, guys. Pizza. I'm very sorry about this pizza. It's pizza in. This pizza. Did you another bite before I go to that one? Hi, 2 minutes, guys. I'm okay. 2 minutes. Done it. Now I played at my pizza. Medarile. Oh, chumi amao. Slow eater. This is sound check before we go on stage around 8 o'clock. This is sound check. But guys, now time to change into costumes. Now chumi amangibit blue namhlanje, blue dress because sinibama suit up blue, and the hair is Hara style. Yeah, now I'm fixing himself up. Now it's the time for the boy. Did you know, man? And your changer now. I was left with 20 minutes. Yeah, left with 20 minutes. Did you know, man? Let me rush in the change. This is my blue suit. I was checking. Iband in the corner. Everything is there. You must double check, guys, because if you don't double check, imagine you wearing white shoes, people wearing black shoes, but you didn't double check. You must double check everything. Right. Took out my pants and it's no, man. It's time. I'm gonna rock my suit. This is me halfway there. This is how we're wearing the blue suit, the pants, the white shirt, and the white shoes. Now I'm pitolo power fuck my cross panty. I am sokolisa. I'm sokolisa my cross panty. Mele ndiyoncedisa ngoku. Semdala. Yeah, umuntu una 50. Yabonakala. Faka ama cross panty pha. Ncedisa ndithi no man. Na ibhagi ndithi put on my baggy. Yeah, not the baggy the car. But yeah, this is me after that when I'm done. Yeah, guys. Niyabona nani ukuthi proper things. These are proper things, guys. Literally 1 minute before we go on stage. 1 minute before we go on stage. Now this is us at the show. Done singing for the people. Standing ovation, guys. The crowd standing on their feet. Last song. Standing ovation. Now the entertainment team. Very happy. Yeah. Very tired. Sweating and bona, guys. I'm sweating. I'm wet. After the show. That's how hard we work. 1 hour 30 minutes straight. Push a lento. On our way home, exiting the hotel. Very nice, guys. No, the hotel is very nice. This is us exiting the hotel. When we arrived here, it was bukhanya, guys. Ngoku niyabona ukuthi hayi sebusuku. We performed during the night, not during the day. Approaching the gate, ID Shamlar. We're going home, guys. Approaching the robot. This is the robot that the last robot that we pass before we arrive at home. This is the last robot, guys. Now we're here again, Sebusuku, at night. There is our lodgement, guys. Our lodgement, very beautiful. New lodgement, we just moved in here, guys. Beautiful, have our own space. Saphuma ngoku, guys, saphuma ngoku. 30K, take everything. Bangikhwaza pha umobini yangikhwaza ndazi ufuna ntoni. Khwaza pha thatha ama bags wami ndifikile endlini, guys. Thank you for spending the day with me. Love you.